Students, I am E. Philip from Kendriya Vidyalaya Vehicle Factory, Jabalpur. I will teach you e-waste today. So children, today we will learn about the lesson food we eat. Now students, name some of the food items you eat. Yes, name some of the food items you eat. Chapati, yes. And vegetables, yes. You. Fruits, yes. Grains, yes. Milk products, yes. And sweets. Very good, children. So some of the food items you eat are chapati, vegetables, fruits, grains, milk products and sweets. Very good. Students, do you like vegetables? Okay, so all of you like vegetables? Do you eat all the vegetables at home? No. Okay. Then which is your favorite vegetable? Potato. Okay. Potato is also my favorite vegetable. Okay, you like tomato? Okay. And you? Lady's finger. How many of you like lady's finger in this class? All the students. Very good. Can you name some other vegetables other than these? Yes. Brinjal. Yes, you. Carrot. Yes. Radish. Spinach. Yes. Bottle gourd. Yes. Loudly. Bitter gourd. Okay, how many of you like bitter gourd? Only 2 students. Very good. Clap for them. Any other vegetable other than these? Onion. Okay. Spring onions. Okay, very good. And then again, beans. Okay. And anyone else? No? Okay. Then do you all eat fruits? Yes. All of you eat fruits? All of you like fruits? Okay, very good. Which is your favorite fruit? Mango. Okay. And yours? Oranges. And you? Grapes. Okay. And other than these, any other fruit you like? Banana. Okay. Pineapple. And you? Papaya. Any other fruit left out? Yes. Strawberry. Blackberries. And cherries. Yes. Guavas. We all should eat fruits and vegetables because they are called protective food and it protects us from various diseases. Other than chapati, vegetables and fruits, what do you all eat every day? Grains. Okay. Can you name a grain? Wheat. Okay. Wheat. What do you make? Out of wheat, what do you make? We make chapatis. Any other grain you eat every day? Rice. Okay. Maize. Okay, very good. So today we learnt about some food items like chapatis, vegetables, fruits and grains. These all are good for our body and to maintain our health. Children, can you tell me from where do you get fruits and vegetables? Yes. Where do you get fruits and vegetables from? Yes, from the plants. Very good. So we get fruits and vegetables from the plants. Do you know any other sources from where we get food items? Yes, anyone? Yes, one child there, yes. Animals, okay. So animals also help us to get food. So besides plants, animals also gave us food. Can you tell me which type of food we get from animals? Yes, we get eggs. Yes, any other thing? Milk. Yes, meat. Very good. Chicken and fish. Okay, so we get eggs, meat, milk, chicken and fish from animals. And these food items are called non-vegetarian food, and it is also called bodybuilding food. Is it clear, children? Okay. So children, just now we learned that we get food from plants like fruits and vegetables. In fruits, we get apple, mango, grapes, bananas, etc. And vegetables, we get potato, tomato, lady's finger, etc. Is it clear now? Okay. Now children, we will learn about kinds of food. There are 3 kinds of food: energy giving food, body building food and protective food. So today we will learn about energy giving food. They are food containing carbohydrates. For example, wheat. We make chapati out of wheat. It contains carbohydrates. And tomatoes. Out of tomato we make chutney. Chutney also has carbohydrates. And all types of grains come under energy giving food. Even sweets also come under energy giving food. Sugar, things made out of sugar. Second is body building food. All the food items containing proteins come under body building food. For example, egg, milk, pulses, seafood, fish, meat. Most of the things we get from animals, and these food are known as bodybuilding food. Now, third one is protective food, and this type of food protects us from many diseases. So last class we learnt about fruits and vegetables. So both are essential for our body, and these are called protective food. For example, mangoes, grapes, potatoes, tomatoes, etc. Now children, you will observe the pictures carefully. Which kind of food do you find in the picture? Yes, you find food containing carbohydrates, and these food items are called energy giving food. Can you read it one by one? This first one is butter, yes, ghee, potato and bread. They give energy to our body, and this energy helps us to work and play. Is it clear? In the next slide, you can see picture of milk, gram, eggs, pulses. Can you tell me which kind of food are these? Yes, anyone? Yes, very good. These are bodybuilding food items, which contain proteins that help our body to grow. Is it clear, children? Now, children, in this slide, which pictures can you see? Yes, we can see milk, fruits, vegetables. All these are called protective food. Why are they called protective food? Anyone? Yes, they protect our body from various diseases. And we should eat sufficient quantity of protective food to keep away the various kinds of diseases. Now, children, listen carefully. What is a balanced diet? Have you heard about balanced diet? No? Okay, so listen carefully. A balanced diet is one which has all types of food in the right amount. It depends upon your age and your body needs. You must eat a balanced diet every day. So, what do you understand by a balanced diet? A diet in which there are all types of food in the right amount according to your age and according to your body needs. So how many of you eat a balanced diet? It should contain all the things useful for our body. It should contain energy giving food, body building food and protective food. Clear? So children, from the picture you can see which type of food you get from plants and animals. So have a quick look at the picture. Food from animals, you can see milk, fish, chicken, meat, and food from plants you can see some vegetables, chili, brinjal, and cabbage, bitter gourd, bottle gourd, pumpkin, cauliflower, potato, tomato, and you can also see some fresh fruits, watermelon, pineapple, banana, apple and oranges. Now there are 5 questions for you. You have to do it in your homework notebook. Your first question is, what did you eat yesterday? Question 2, name 2 items which you like to eat. Question 3, name 2 items which you eat directly without cooking. Question 4, name some items which we make from wheat and rice. Question 5, name 2 vegetables. So tomorrow I'll take your homework. So everything is clear? Okay, thank you students.